Before you can get approved for any loan, first you need to know what are banks looking for. Ever wondered why banks seem so mysterious about their approval process? Well, today we're going to decode it all, step by step. We'll dive deep into what banks are looking for and provide you with some exclusive insights to boost your chances. And oh yes, don't forget to stay until the end for an amazing bonus tip that can make all the difference. This bonus tip will allow you to know if you are approved before you even apply. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's get started. First, understanding bank requirements. Why do banks ask for certain documents when you apply for a loan? It's all about mitigating risk. You see, banks want to ensure that you are a trustworthy borrower, and that's where the journey begins. First thing first, when you approach a bank, they often ask you to fill out a personal financial statement. What's a personal financial statement? A personal financial statement is like a snapshot of your overall financial health. It helps you calculate your net worth by adding up your assets and subtracting your liabilities. If your assets far exceed your liabilities by at least 40%, you're in a strong position to move forward with that application and getting approved. Right now, I'm going to share with you a real world example of my personal financial statement. I filled out this personal financial statement back in 2019. Let me share with you guys this statement. Home Bank was the bank I went to. And if you look at the asset column, they ask for cash, real estate owned, stocks, 401k, IRA, your cash value for your life insurance, and then they ask for other assets. Another asset is something like jewelry. And your liabilities, they have your car note, they want you to list that, your credit cards you have, back taxes, mortgages on real estate. And as you can see, at this time in 2019, my liabilities was 1.1 million and my assets was 2 million. And my total net worth was $910,000. Now let me share a secret with you. So please don't tell anyone. Bring the camera close. You can inflate some of your assets if you own property, but you have to be realistic. So if your property is worth $350,000, put it in the asset column, $365,000, because the bank is not going to get all the real estate you have appraised. But hold on, there's more. When you're busy filling out your financial statement, the bank will run a hard inquiry on your credit report. This confirms all the liabilities you listed. So it's crucial not to hide anything because the bank will find out. Unless one of your liabilities is in a business name. Now guys, if I'm adding value here, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I would like to hear from you guys. But keep in mind, here's a nugget of wisdom. When applying for a personal loan, you don't have to list your business liabilities because they don't show up on your personal credit report unless that business is personally guaranteed. That business loan is personally guaranteed. Next, the bank will ask for proof of income. For entrepreneurs, that means 2 years of tax returns and the last 2 months of bank statement. This is all about ensuring that you, as the borrower, are not a high-risk candidate. It's all a part of the process, guys. Now here's the secret sauce, the bonus tip for you. Yes, I do have a bonus. With this tip, you will know if you get approved or denied before even applying. It's your debt coverage ratio. The debt coverage ratio or debt service coverage ratio is the same thing. And it's pretty much measures your available cash flow to pay current debt obligation. The DCR or debt coverage ratio shows investors and lenders whether a company or a person has enough income to pay its debt. The ratio is calculated by dividing net operating income by debt service. It includes principal and interest. A good rule of thumb is 1.25 to 1.5 debt coverage ratio. If you have, for example, if you have $1 million net income and $750,000 of debt service, your debt service ratio is 1.33. And your chances of getting approved is phenomenal. So make sure you stay in that threshold. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video. I share 2 hacks that help me in times of financial emergencies. And I also use this hack for travel as well, all using credit cards. See you at the next video.